Hello, class 3 students. Today I will discuss chapter 9 articles. Okay, you already learnt that a, an, and the are called articles. Okay, a, an, and the. A and an are called indefinite articles. Why? Because they are not used to refer to any particular person, place or thing. For example, a cap, a bus. Okay. Cap, bus starts with consonant sound. So, a is used before these words. An umbrella, an aeroplane. Umbrella, aeroplane, they start with vowel sound, and that's why an used before these words. So if a word begins with a consonant sound, we use a before it. Okay, and if a word begins with a vowel sound, then we use an. Clear? A and an are used with singular nouns. We know very well that a and an are used with singular nouns. A boy, but we cannot use a boys. It is incorrect. Okay. An egg, but not an eggs. Okay. So a or an are used with common nouns that we use for the first time. My brother wore a brown jacket yesterday. The brown jacket was gifted to him by his wife. Here not a brown jacket was gifted, because here we are telling about that particular jacket, okay, which my brother wore yesterday. Understood? So, if an adjective comes before a noun, the rules for a and an remain the same. The use of a and an will depend on whether the adjective begins with a vowel sound or a consonant. A bad egg, an honest man. Okay. See here. Although university, uniform and eucalyptus begin with vowels U and E, we use A before them because they begin with a sound which is a consonant sound U. Okay. University, U. Eucalyptus. So, we use here a uniform, a eucalyptus tree. Okay. Then a university. Similarly, HOUR, our, honor, honest, begin with a consonant H, but we use an before them because they begin with a vowel sound A. Okay. Honest, our, honor. So, we pronounce them with the vowel sound A or O. That's why here an is used, though it starts with H consonant. Clear? Here the worksheet already I have done and I am just sending after the video. Okay. And here also in the same way I have done, and you also can do. Very easy these are. Okay. Just simply use of a or an. Now we will read about the article the. The is called the definite article. Okay, a and an are called indefinite article and the is called the definite article because it is used when we refer to a particular person, particular place or particular thing. Look at the examples to learn when the definite article the is used. We use the with nouns that we have already been talked about. Okay. First, the is used with those nouns that have already been talked about. Rina gave me a book. First time, Rina gave me a book. The book belonged to her father. Now it is the book. Why? Because it refers that particular book which is given by Rina. Okay. We use the before some proper nouns. You know proper nouns means special name. Special names. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile. The names of rivers we use the. Okay. Then the names of mountains and mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Alps. The names before the names of famous buildings. Example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Before the names of holy books. For example, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible. Then before the names of the things which are unique, rare. The sun, the moon, the earth. Okay. We use the before a noun when we are talking about something specific. The school is closed today. They took him to the hospital. Clear? So, this was the discussion of this chapter. Now, you will read this chapter very thoroughly and follow the worksheet. Okay?